Hey guys, I want to do a quick video here with the Kodak number 4 car model kits. The Rick Wilson one here I had built previously in some other videos, but it came as a 2-car kit with Ernie Irvan's car. So I finally was able to get that one done, and yeah, so pretty good deal. But there's the motor and whatnot up on the side. So heck yeah, pretty cool to have them both built like that, being the Kodak car. But yeah, just a quick video of the two of them together, and time to put them in their storage cases and move on to the next one. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, bye.